Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're making Arepas Con Queso from Encanto. So this arepas will not heal you, just a warning there. But if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button, like the videos, comment down below, share it, and that's about it. Before we start, disclaimer, I didn't use cornmeal flour because I couldn't get my hands on it, but that's about it. So, ta-da! So here are our ingredients. Let's use plain flour. You could use cornmeal for this one as well. Chicken stock powder, black pepper, oil, some water, some cheese, and one additional ingredient is our jalapeños. So let's begin. Grab your bowl, put in your flour, and put another one, and your stock powder. Black pepper. You're gonna add in some cheese into it. Give it a good mix until it's fully incorporated. Make a well. Make it deep enough. Add in your liquids, your water. Then your oil. Give it a good mix, and once it's mixed up, you wanna cover it and rest it for 10 minutes. And now for the other thing, grab some jalapeños and chop them up into mince. Put them on a separate bowl and then add on some of your other cheese as well. Mix it with the jalapeño just fully incorporated, and then bring out your dough once it's rested. You want to cut your dough into pieces, so I cut it into different sizes like so. For this one, use flour to make sure it's safe, so you want to pat it down, put the cheese in the middle, use the sides and fold it in the middle like you're covering it up. And once it's covered up, you should give it a good pat at the end. Make sure that it's sealed up nicely, so pat it nicely. So there you go. And once you're done, these are all the arepas. Let's get cooking. So put some oil in your pan and then add in your arepas into it. I put in at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side under medium heat. And I wanted to make sure that's cooked, and then you flip it on the other side and you could see it's quite cooked already. There you go, beautiful. And now you could just plate it. I'm using this wooden board here. It's an easy recipe, doesn't take too long, and I feel like it's really delicious. So, have some and look at that.